everybody? It is Naturally Kenken and I'm back with another video. Yay, yay. I'm so awkward. Today we are working with a brand that has been featured on my channel before, and that is Gorgius. I love their packaging, y'all. Their packaging always hits. I'm so excited to be working with this unit because it's a balayage or long bob type of thing. That's the vibe that it's giving. I'm gonna show you guys what's in this box and I'm gonna prep it. I may not prep it on camera just to save on time. I am going to be showing you guys what's in this box. When you open the box, it's gonna come with your wig, your gorgeous wig, and they keep it in this drawstring bag right here. Then guys, we are going to be creating a look with the contents that they sent us, and that is their earrings. They gave me a scarf to style this look with, so we're going to be putting something together today with this. Then they gave me a little pouch. Most hair companies are starting to put pouches like this in their packages, which is really, really cool, and I really appreciate that. Because who can't use bobby pins, a tweezer, hair clips? Like, who can't use that type of stuff? They even have a wig band to tie on the back of your wig to make it tighter if you have a smaller head. And then a edge brush right here. So it came with that. And the last thing in this bag is the wig cap. I might use this one today, or I might use another one that I have at the shop. But let's open this wig, child, because I am so excited to put it on. I love color, especially blondes and browns. I feel like those look the best on my skin tone. They wrapped everything up so neat, and it came like in 3 days, guys. Get you some hair from Gorgius. Like, order. Customer service is on point. Everybody is sweet. I would definitely recommend this hair brand. So this is a wig. It is a closure. I'm gonna put the deets of the hair down below in the description box, and the link will be there too. So if you want to purchase this unit, you can. This is a balayage, kind of a long bob. It looks a little bit crazy now because I have to customize it, but guys, straight off the pack, look at the lace. Like, this is their HD lace. I don't know if you remember from my last video, the knots on that wig were super just non-detectable, and this one is the same. But for this unit, I am gonna bleach it a little bit to give it that ultimate, you know, laid and slate look. So I'm gonna do that off camera, and we're gonna do something with this hair, y'all. I'm super duper excited. Like, look at it, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. We're gonna do something with it, and we're gonna make a look today, okay? All right, I'll see y'all. Okay, y'all, so while I was prepping my wig, I ended up doing a bald cap. Only thing I have to do now is just cut the remaining cap off, and I'm gonna show y'all how my wig came out. It really didn't take me long to prep it. I just wanted to bleach the knots a little bit more so we could have the ultimate slayage, you know what I'm saying? Oh, look, hold on, look. That's gonna be a scalp, okay? I need to learn how to look over here, but no, this is gonna be a scalp. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my bald cap on camera, and I'll be back. And y'all, can we normalize using astringent instead of alcohol? I need to take my own advice, but using astringent instead of alcohol to clean our foreheads, because alcohol is so harsh, guys. Like, this is Sea Breeze. This is the sensitive skin formula, and this is really good if you have sensitive skin, which I have. I'm using Ruby Kiss Cream Foundation, and this is in the color 9. I am going to try on the wig to see what it looks like. Y'all know how they normally have the little folded band on the side? They don't have that with this wig. I think they're starting to listen to us now, y'all. For all my small-headed girlies out there, it does come with a band. It's adjustable, so you can tighten it up or loosen it up as you please. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, this is gonna be pretty. So I'm gonna brush the top back just so I can see where the lace lays so that I know where to place my glue. Y'all seen me do this 1,000 times. Y'all know what to do. But I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest of the video. And I'm also going in with the Bold Hold Active Glue. This is my ultimately, what can it be? This is my ultimate favorite glue ever. So our band is on, and honestly, while we're sitting and waiting for this band to lay our lace down, I'm gonna blow dry my hair in the meanwhile so that is ready for styling once we cut the lace off. Okay, y'all, I am back and my hair is fully blow dried. It is so freaking soft, y'all. Like, look at the movement and look at the color. Like, oh my goodness. Y'all, this lace, I'm not even done laying it and it is already giving. It is completely HD, like y'all know how, or transparent, like you cannot lace wear. Like you cannot see any type of lace, bro, and I'm not even done laying it. Okay, so that's on. I'm gonna go ahead and define my part now, and I'm trying to figure out how I want to style it. I think I'm gonna add some curls to it, give it like a little beach wave or a beach curl. We gonna just see where all of that takes us, but I'm actually loving this unit, you guys. Okay, y'all, now that we have the part defined, I'm gonna go ahead and add some curls to this. I just want to do like a nice cute loose curls because I feel like it's gonna enhance the color of this unit. I'm actually gonna speed that part up and just show y'all what it's talking about. Before I get into curling this unit, I really want to show y'all the movement and body that this hair actually has. So pretty. It just moves effortlessly. And look at the color. It's so freaking pretty, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl the hair, and when I'm finished, I'm actually gonna do an outfit swap so I can show y'all ways to put how I put the scarf and the earrings that they gave me together. We're gonna do a cute little bohemian look. Okay, y'all, I am done curling my hair. As you can see, I have these what you call them, Shirley Temple curls. I'm gonna comb them out so it can give more of a looser curl. Ooh, look at that. What we have as of right now. I'm gonna go home and change my outfit so I can give you more of the bohemian look that I was trying to pull off today, but this is what the curls are giving. By the time I get home, these curls would have dropped, and that's kind of what we're going for. We're going for more of a loose beach wave type of vibe. Y'all, look how pretty.